Pure Octane Garage, bringing you today a quick tip on waterless wash.
A great use of it. Cue the music. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage. I'm Ryan.
Brandon on this side, and we're going to bring you detailed information
And other automotive goodness.
Today, like it said in the intro, we are doing one of my favorite uses I've found for waterless wash recently. So I thought I'd share that with everybody and share it with you. I already shared it with you.
You did. I got a sneak preview.
That's right.
And it's a good one, guys. I mean, yeah.
This is one of those things, waterless wash, that it's new to our world still. And we're finding different ways to use it, and it's really coming into its own for us. And I think there's probably a ton of other ways. You guys can let us know how you use it in unique ways. Yes, a bottle of waterless wash, a microfiber. That's all we're using today. We're gonna hit some door jams. And then we'll show you, us cleaning a door jam. It's perfect for after you've washed the vehicle. You just have the residual water, sometimes soap, dirt still in there.
Yes.
Get you a way to clean it easily. And then you can follow that up with a ceramic spray or whatever.
Easily and safely, because this, encapsulates that.
Gets that dirt out of there.
Encapsulates the dirt.
Yes, you got it. You put the dirt in capsules.
Words are hard for me.
Encapsulates. That's what you want.
Encapsulates. That's exactly what I want.
But anyways, I want to give a shout out too while we're doing it. This is my favorite waterless wash. Any waterless wash will probably work for this, obviously. But this is Glovebox's RX. They give you, their kit comes with these bottles. You fill up the water. It's real fun to crack the seal
and it mixes.
These things are awesome, and the scent is perfect, and it's everything you need, nothing you don't with their stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I can't give enough. We'll put a link in the description below to these, because if you order some and you put Pure20 in the discount code PURE20, you get 20% off anything from Glovebox.
Save you some money. Save you money on a good product. Really, seriously, guys.
And a freaking awesome bottle.
Oh, I love those bottles.
Okay, let's go over and show them a quick, easy way to clean the door jams.
That way.
It's as easy as this, guys. You're going to spray your door jam area, and we wipe. We wipe away. These aren't terribly dirty, but you get the idea.
Ooh, that stuff does smell nice.
Right, just a good clean smell. Again,
it's a good product because a waterless wash, because of the not only lifting the dirt away, but it's got good lubricity, so you don't want to scratch up your door jam. So
exactly. We'll hit that area.
You want to be generous too with that.
Yeah, it's good to use another good spot.
Waterless wash.
While we're here, this vehicle actually, it's very hard to clean down in here.
Oh, that's a good point.
And now this is going to be a rag that you don't use on your main body work, but you can get up under in there. Check that out. And these rock rails here are very hard. You can stuff a rag down in there, clean that area, because that's not easy. I miss that when I do a normal wash. So when I'm doing the touch up there, look at that.
Oh yeah,
it's filthy under there. Well, and this needs a wash, but let's go ahead and hit
what about that?
The plastics here.
Look how conservative Brandon is with product use. You want me to clean that for you?
Even when you can be liberal with it, right?
Waterless wash. You gotta use a lot, Brandon.
And then
I mean, look how nice that looks now. Come on.
Over here, make sure to get the door underneath.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that area right there.
Really dirty.
And it's a good idea to keep the weather stripping, the rubber seal.
Yes. Keep that clean.
If you keep that clean, they last longer. Because grit and sand will wear it away.
If you don't want to spray, you can spray your towel. Same process, right? So you guys get the idea. Then flip it over and dry it off. Again, put in the comments below your uses for waterless wash. We'd love to hear some new ones. And till the next time, thank you.
All right, later, guys. Thank you.
You did a good job. I did a good job.
Like, subscribe, tell your friends, check out merch, all that good fun stuff.
Later.